In finding the length of a side using trigonometry, we've arrived at the calculation x is equal to 4.8 divided by the tangent of 37 degrees. The first thing we should establish is that the calculator is in degree mode. There should be a D here in the display. Once we know we're in degree mode, we can go ahead and calculate. We have 4.8 divided by tangent, TAN, of 37 degrees, close bracket, is equal to, and we get 6.369, and so on. We should write x is equal to 6.3698 ... and then round to an appropriate degree of accuracy.